Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Shashank, and today in this video we will discuss how to write a VBA code to unprotect multiple worksheets with a single code. In my earlier video we have seen that how to protect multiple worksheets with a VBA code, and in continuation of that video we will discuss a VBA code to unprotect multiple sheets. So let's start. First of all, go to the developer tab, go to the Visual Basic and insert a new module. We will give it a name sub unprotect all open and close parentheses. Now we will define our dimensions dim worksheet as worksheet. We will define our password dim pwd as string. Now, to enter your password, we will define the input box. Now, password is equal to input box, and now it will ask for a text message to display. We will write a text message here. Enter your password to unlock all the sheets. Inverted comma close. Now password is input. Now we will go to the next line on error resume next. For each worksheet in worksheets worksheet dot unprotect password is equal to pwd. Now you can see that we have written a code worksheet.unprotect. So this is the code which will unprotect all the worksheets and will resume to the next worksheet with this line of code. If error. If you write a wrong password, what will happen then? And this line will define the wrong password and action after that. If error is 0, then a message box will be displayed and our message will be you have entered a wrong password. All sheets cannot be unlocked. And be unprotected. Incorrect password. And if on error go to 0. And now you can see that we have completed our sub, and now it's time to test our sub procedure. We will go to this option and run our code. And now it will ask for the which macro to run. We'll run unprotect all and click on run. Now you can see that our code is working fine, and now it's time to assign this code to our buttons. Select here assign macro and unprotect all. Now we'll see that how both of these buttons will work together. Right now you can see that all the worksheets are unprotected, and we will protect them first. Protect all sheets. We'll write a password 1 2 3 4 5 6 and protect them all. And now it's time to check whether all the worksheets has been protected or not. You can see all the worksheets are protected. Now it's time to unprotect all the worksheets. We'll click here, unprotect all. It will ask for a password. First of all, we will write the wrong password, 1 2 3, and we'll see. You have entered a wrong password. All sheets cannot be unlockable, unprotected. Okay, we will go back to our main sheet. Click on unprotect and write a correct password 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay. And now you can see that all the worksheets has been unprotected. This is how the VBA works. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much guys. See you soon.